For a number like this, if we go down with the cursor, press mod, to change this we press 2.60 for example and enter. We put the figure back, 2.56, enter. Page down, we now have the thread length, chamfer and the left hand chamfer feed per rev. For a figure starting with 0, we must go down to the figure, press mod. We now must enter the 0, then 0.04 and enter. You always have to press 0 point when it isn't a full number. So if we now escape, we go back to the previous page. So again, we've got the left hand spindle RPM, we've got the thread TPI. In this instance, it's the feed along the bar to turn. We've got the part length, which is 2.56 inches. This is the amount protruding from the front of the vise. We then can select which head we are using. On the left hand, we have the turning head, so we've got turn, thread and roll. So we've selected number 1. Again, it's a simple move down with the cursor, press mod. If we're on the roll, we go into 3. As we're on the turn, we press the mod, enter 1 and enter. So we page down, we now have the thread in inches, which is 2.3 length, the chamfer, which is set at 0.4 inch, and we have the feed per rev, which we have set at 40 thousandths per rev. The same procedure is carried out for the right hand. We go to the right hand side. We're now displayed the thread length, chamfer in inches, and the chamfer feed per rev. This has to be completed, although we're not using it on the right hand side, because we are actually on the right hand side we're using thread. So here we have the spindle RPM 5. Because we've got the rolling head connected, we've to off the chart, and 5 is 387. We've then got 14 threads per inch on the thread, with the part length 2.56 inches, and we're set at 2 thread. Now page down, we've now got the thread length in inches, which is 2.2. Chamfer distance again, and chamfer per rev is not applicable, but the numbers are still completed. Page down, and that's it. We now have a protected password, because the data beyond this point it is important that the operator doesn't get in there to change any of the figures. So press escape, escape again, escape again. We're back to the home position. The right hand position is the distance that the carriage has moved forward from the datum switch, which is 9.132 inches in this instance. On the left hand side, it's 9.1722 inches.